Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV. This is the station where you watch and learn. And I'll be taking you through biology form 1, and our topic is nutrition. Our subtopic is nutrition in animals, and this is lesson 25. I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to 1. Define heterotropism. 2. Describe the different modes of heterotropism, giving examples in each case. Heterotropism involves taking in already made food from autotrophs and other organic substances. Organisms that feed on already manufactured food are called heterotrophs. And we have different types of heterotrophs. For example, in our diagram, you can see the herbivorous. They feed on plants, so they don't manufacture their own food. So we refer to them as heterotrophs. We have omnivorous in our diagram, and you see they don't manufacture their own food. Omnivorous feed on both plants and animals. And we also have the lion, which is the carnivorous. The lions feed on what? They feed on meat. So they are heterotrophs. So you have to remember that heterotrophs don't manufacture their own food, but they feed on what? They feed on already manufactured food. There are very many types of heterotrophs, and in this slide we are going to discuss their parasitism and symbiosis. Parasitism, this is the mode of nutrition where one organism known as the parasite obtains nutrients from another living organism known as the host. The parasite lives on the host and they feed on the host, but they don't kill the host. Example of organism that exhibit this mode of nutrition is the tick and roundworms. The next example is the symbiosis. In symbiosis, two organisms live together and they benefit from each other mutually. Example is the rhizobium bacteria and the leguminous plant. The bacteria live on the plant, and they do what? The bacteria do nitrogen fixation, and the plant provides shelter for the bacteria. So they mutually benefit from each other. The next type of heterotrophic nutrition is the saprophytism. This is where an organism obtains nutrients from dead organic matter, causing decomposition. Example of saprophytes involve bacteria and fungi. And you can see in our diagram we have a mushroom there. Mushrooms get their nutrients from dead organisms, so they lead to decomposition. So saprophytes are very important in our environment because without them there is no decomposition. The next one is holozoic. In holozoic, this type of nutrition involves animals feeding on complex substances. The food is ingested, the food is digested and then absorbed in the body where they get assimilated. Examples of animals with this type of feeding is the mammals and birds. And that's why in our picture we have the digestive system of a human being. We've come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you've learned a lot. You've learned how to define heterotropism. You've learned that heterotropism involves feeding on already manufactured food. So I'll require you to do a quick check. So I expect you to define heterotropism, and also number 2, to differentiate between parasitism and saprophytism. Our reference is Secondary Biology Student Book 1, 5th edition. This is the KLB book. And for this and more, contact us on our SMS number is 0723144259. 0723144259. You can also get us on YouTube at Elimu TV. You can also get us on Facebook at Elimu TV. You can also get us on Twitter at Elimu TV _Kenya. Thank you.